Welcome everybody. Hello. Welcome back to the show. Good morning or good evening. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How's it going? MSUFO, hello. Good morning, No Luck Pure Skill. Welcome. 1 a.m. Oh my gosh, you need to sleep something. You need to sleep sometime. Loving Nature Guy, hello, welcome. Starting a long position. Well, hopefully it will be okay. Frequency, hello. Yonix, welcome. Burok ICT, hello. Marco ZFG in the building. Upstate Futures is in the house. JTrader, great morning. How's it going? It's 8 a.m. in the morning. 8 in the morning right now for me. 8 in the morning. Stefan Rutten, well, welcome. Also 8 a.m. Let's go. Dwartzy, welcome. All right. Yeah, let's see what's going on here. So NQ is dropping not too much. Actually, let's see how much. 157 points here. Let me switch to a different chart. Different view. Okay, that's the 1 hour, 5 minute. Okay, what was the... okay, we swept this low. We have another fair value gap a little bit lower on the 5 minute. Check Forex Factory. Here's Forex Factory. Iran and Israel both deny existence of any agreement. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. We have GDP news here. Pound GDP news as expected. Good morning, HT Photo. Welcome. 9 a.m. in Qatar. Wow, nice. It's just so awesome to have people from all around the world. All right, so we have a fair value gap here. That is going to be a 5 minute fair value gap. Should start flying now. Yeah, maybe. It might be the case. We picked up liquidity here. We'll see. I'll be back just a second. All right, all right, all right. I'm back. Sorry, I was just having a phone call and I had to meet with someone. Hello, everybody. Lucky Mon, hello. Shenanigan, welcome. So we didn't go down to that 5-minute fair value gap yet. Not yet. Not yet, at least. How's everybody doing, by the way? Dun, dun, dun. Kevin, hello. Doing great, thank you. Jose, welcome. Buenos dias. Hello, Jose. JTrader. My bias for today, oh my gosh. Well, if I look at the hourly chart, I like to see a push higher, to be honest. I like to see this one go and take the high at 847, but that's just the thing. Just because I like to see that, that doesn't mean it will go there. But yeah, I'd like to see this go. We can still see a bit of an expansion lower to take some more liquidity. I'm not sure if it's going to happen or not, but it's going to be interesting for sure. Zacromonster, welcome, welcome. Dave Mack is back. Hello. Let's start to smash those likes, everybody. Vivian, hello, welcome, good morning. Mirai Khan is back. I wish you as the same as well. Thank you, Mirai Khan. Thank you so much for all the good wishes every morning. I wish you all the best and all the same, and for everybody, of course. Yeah, today is going to be the SpaceX IPO. That's going to be shaking the market a little bit, right? So yeah, it should be having a bullish push, I think, overall. But those things, I mean, I don't even know where I have to check which hour is it going to be. That SpaceX IPO. IPO date. All right. That's going to be the market open, right? 9:30. Stocks to on Friday. Okay. It doesn't say, but I think it's going to be the market open. We're going to do it in the New York session, Yannick, I think. I mean, I hope I can be here. But there's going to be, we still have 2 MyFundedFutures accounts. It's KL2885. Hello from Bangkok. Hello, welcome. Celine's hat is here. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. What's up? What's up? And of course, Dickweed. I forgot to say hello. Smokey, the sucker dad. Hello there. Johnny, welcome. Oh, already in SpaceX. Nice. Look at this here. Hello. Yeah, it could be. It could be at the opening bell. Who knows? I don't even know how this goes. Maybe at the opening bell, it's just gonna be like, boom, there it is, and people can start to trade it. It has to be like a bullish surge, I think, once it goes out. That's what I would assume. 9:30 open. Yeah. Full port short. The thing is, Liquid, I'm kind of assuming the opposite. So what I think, the opening bell is going to skyrocket. I mean, it could be spiking because of the buying, and then an immediate drop. So first a bullish push and then drop, just like it goes with the cryptocurrencies. I can imagine that happening, though. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But I can see that scenario happening. You know. All right. That 5-minute fair value gap is interesting. 346. To put in a probe trade at least. What do you guys think? All right, that's good. That's actually a good expansion lower. Let's see what's happening on the 15-minute. You know, I like it. I like the drop situation here. I like to see this drop lower. So what I might do, actually I'm already doing it, measuring the distance. There's a absolutely picture perfect 15-minute zone here. Now this is a 15-minute demand zone down there, just saying. Uh, 15-minute demand zone at 281. Now, are we going to go down there? I don't know. It would be great. Expansion lower. All right. I jumped into a short position. Right here. And I'm going to make it like 514.25 is going to be the stop. And I'm going to take a partial at 350, I think. $350, and the next is going to be 286. This is not a typical scalp trade. This is more like an intraday swing. If it goes down, if not, then at least I'll know. So at least I will know. It's only 2 micros. It's not a huge deal to drop lower. So if not, that's cool too. Perfectly fine with it. With 2 micros on a Friday, I'm not going to stress on this. $50K account. I'm using Burak. I'm still waiting here patiently for my TPT activation credit. Oh, nice. Yeah, you should be getting it sometime after 7 a.m. Eastern Standard, or at least in New York business hours AM session. It should be appearing on your credit bank. I kept 360 target. Let's go. Back left, down and nervous now. No, I mean, I'm definitely cool with this. Yeah, I can absolutely imagine that this one is going to go higher and it will fly. And this is why I'm just curious, and I'm going to take a partial at 350 if we're going to go and take the next fair value gap down there. If not, that's fine too. You know, we'll see. Taking support from trend line, making more liquidity. Yeah. Yeah, rollover. Yeah, it's rollover soon. The volume is still bigger on the old contract. So you guys don't really see it, but the new contract has only a fraction of a volume of the old. So yeah. Also waiting for your future CPT credentials. Ah, okay. So you passed the account. That's nice. Amazing, amazing. Congratulations. End of day. I do have intraday accounts as well. Depending on the prop firm, but usually around 2,000 or 2,500. On Take Profit Trader or MyFundedFutures, I can lose $2,000. Market maker secret language. I understand what you wrote, but I don't understand the question though. Where is the buying price and where to put the stop loss for retail traders, something like that. I wish I would know that, man. Trade with, I'm using a Ninja Trader right now, Burak. Yeah, Apex extended the 90% sale again. What a surprise, right? So Apex is still 90% off, just saying. Apex is still 90%. Which is a good deal, by the way. Apex, no. Only Apex. MyFundedFutures with and by the way, the instant payouts, for example, MyFundedFutures, TRADEIFY and Lucid is extremely fast with the withdrawals, by the way, extremely fast. Which is amazing, by the way. They sometimes it happens in a few hours, but sometimes it happens in a few minutes or even faster. Yeah, MyFundedFutures, Lucid, also TRADEIFY now is doing the payouts very fast. Ba-dum. What is wrong with my screen? Well, it depends. The differences, by the way, between these props are not that crucial, by the way, anymore. So yes, there could be like a $5 to $10, $20 difference. Depends on what you're exactly looking for. What are those perks and features that you like to go with, right? So let's see how we are at 29 likes. Let's go, everybody. Let's get some more. I have a cousin in Europe and he used his credentials to trade from restricted. I don't think it's something you can do because they might be tracking your IP address and you know it's against the terms of rules. So obviously you can get banned, or your cousin can get banned. I think they're monitoring the IP addresses as well, so where you log in from. So if you log in from a restricted country, I think it's going to be monitored, and I don't think it's gonna work. Martin, hello. Look at the daily. Using that against the lower prices. Oh, okay. Martin, I feel like you and me should have a chat about the market maker buy sell model, because usually you have really good calls on these levels, you know. 1500 BPR. Okay, let's see. Adam Dez, hello. Hey Adam, what's up? Good morning, good morning. I think they monitor it. I think they monitored logins on every platform. It's not, I can't confirm it to you, but I heard rumors. And, you know, it is what it is, unfortunately. Yeah. I want to see it, send it here. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. No luck, pure skill. Let's go. It could be flying. It could be. Yeah. Yeah, Burak, that's the thing. Okay, quick look on gold, by the way, until we wait. Yeah, there's, I think we do have a flat candle here as well. Low is, okay, we have a flat candle on gold. I think we're gonna go a little bit lower. Let's see that. 4183.6. That could be a possible draw on liquidity. So yeah, that's right there. And that's actually, by the way, a zone. Wow. I might even want to scalp gold. Look at that. A part of me wants to scalp gold. I just don't know which account should I do it with. Okay. All right. I like to see gold drop, so I jumped into a scalp short. Not scalp really. 41.99.2. And the TP is 89.7. Risk to reward ratio is 1-to-1. 4208.7. Okay, so I do have a gold trade short. It's on a different account, so I can't switch this small screen to show it to you guys, but this is exactly my trade. My entry is 4199.21 gold. My stop is 4208.7 with 2 micros. My TP is 4189.7. Only on a MyFundedFutures evaluation account, by the way. 89.7. So here it is, by the way. So you guys can see this is on a MyFundedFutures eval. This is my gold trade. I just jumped in. Nothing special. All right. You can see it on the trading view chart. And let's monitor NQ. More downward movement. Let's see how much you're gonna lose if this trade hits the stop loss. I think I'm gonna lose around I think I'm gonna lose around $300 on this. But I'm gonna follow, I'm gonna if this would trade a little bit lower, I'm gonna move my stop. So I try to move the stop, so I should not be losing more than 250 ish. Yeah. Someone know what the SMT pairs are for gold and silver? Silver, and I don't know what if there's anything else, to be honest, Martin. I don't know. Dollar index, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm shorting my cash account, looking for to sleep soon. Oh, let's go. Move it to stop. Yeah, move it to break even. Yeah. Kevin, congratulations, by the way. 15 minutes. Well, maybe we still have to wait a little bit, you know, Burak. It might gonna take some time. Shia Trades. Hello, Shia. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. 41.90, 1.1 on gold. Maybe. Unfortunately, the gold trade is not looking all that good now. It's kind of popping higher. SNT now. Yeah, let's see it. Kevin, dump it. Shia. Sorry, Sia. Okay. Thank you. 23 minutes until London Open. 38 likes already. Let's push it. Awesome. From few days, Rabari ICT is not coming. I don't know. He was here the other day. He's not always here, I think, every day, but I did see him a few days ago. He was here. So yeah, dollar index, right? Dollar index. Okay. I did not. Oh, sorry. You are Rockbari, right? Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Man, it's just, trust me, believe it or not, it's so hard to remember all the YouTube handles. I do remember you said you changed your name. Yeah, now I remember, but I still haven't finished up my coffee yet. It's still like 40 minutes past the morning. Sorry, past 8 in the morning, and I'm like, you know, it takes some energy. I know, Rockbari, Burak. I'm truly sorry. I mean, sorry about that. I really have so many names. Reza though, yeah, I don't know where Reza is. I haven't seen him since a while. I hope he's doing good. He was really smashing those trades. He might be lurking in the background, but he was really smashing those trades. Burak said, no, we need to cheer him up. Come on. Yeah, NQ, I don't know what's up with NQ this morning, but I know you've been here. But like the names, but you just changed it recently. You changed it recently to Burak, right? Anyway. So the thing is, as I said, I'm going to take a partial here if we go a little bit lower. It will cheer up and my funded TV be 70k. Oh yeah, 100%. 100%. And for those of you who are kind of wondering what's happening on the gold trade, this is the gold trade only on an eval with 2 micros. So I'm also short on gold, but this is only on an eval. Let's see how it's going to go. I'm going to take partial at 50.25. So we'll see what's going to happen after that. Yeah, I shorted gold. Here's my gold trade setup right here. This kind of represents, I'm just kind of hoping that we can go down to this 5-minute zone, because there is a 5-minute demand zone. But gold is tricky. Gold is always tricky. So we'll see. Now it's back to break even. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Karma Brewer, hello. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Welcome to the channel. All right, so the thing is, we traded lower than this previous swing. So I think what I should do is move my stop a little bit lower. So there you go. Let's manage the risk. Let's move the stop 81.50. There. So we move the stop because let's just face the reality. If we trade back above that swing high, we don't really want to be in that trade anymore, right? I think we can agree on that. We don't really want to hold this trade above the 480s. Oh no. I see. Well, it's always a good thing. It's always a good thing if you can go back to learning. You know, that's a good part. Bence Borbash, hello. Welcome. Fellow Hungarian trader, Üdvözöllek. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Quick check on gold again. Okay, so the gold trade is so far at this very second, it looks good. Actually, not really. Gold is just wiggling around here. But at least the NQ trade is okay. TDFLCB, hello. Lower the stop. I want to give some room to the trade. That's the thing. MSUFO. I want to give some room to it. I'm comfortable with these levels, but you know, if it goes back to break even or something, you know, let's give it some space. We have a new 15-minute candle right now. So new 5-minute, new 15-minute candle. Confluence Trader, hello, welcome. Intrinsic fact about gold. Access to electricity has fallen 28% from all-time high. The last such large decline was in 2011 on September 11th, as much as 48%. and the decline lasted 4 years. I wonder what it will be like now. The last attack is out. Wow. That's interesting though. Dwarves, that's an interesting theory. 333 support on the 200 EMA. Okay, so yeah, partial TP is at 350.25 on this. Clear Math Online, hello from Tanzania. Oh my gosh, good to see you. Welcome. Mm-hmm. 15-minute drop part, yeah. Let's wait for it. I think it's gonna take a little bit more to we might have to wait for the London Open if it even wants to drop down to that fair value gap. So you gotta be careful. So we need to respect that low. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Kind of stuck here. Where would you be over 5 years? What's the plan? Martin, to be honest, swing trading, you actually buy a lottery, Martin, because I'd like to do, like, not specifically to be a swing trader, but it's definitely part of my goals to have more swing trades, at least intraday swing trades. So, you know, the set it and forget it thing. That is something I'm really looking forward to do some swing trading other than scalping and looking for short time period trades. That would be definitely something on my list. Although in futures trading, Lucid does not accept the code. It should be. Try small capital or big capital. Let me just check it. It should be working though. It should be working. Let me go back. Small or big capital, please. Thank you so much, by the way, 12VEC. But let me just check it. Let me log in. Sometimes they change something, and let me just. Okay. Let's see. It's working. It's working. Big capital. You have to use big capital letters. Maybe another browser. Yeah, yeah. SMTBDS. All right, let's go. Quick check on the gold trade. The gold trade is back to break even now, so it's not looking that fancy. Although I still like to see gold to visit that zone down there at 41.89, but we'll see. Thank you so much, by the way, again for the support, 12WEC. Yeah, not a really good price action. Yeah, Gabor, we're gonna do it hopefully in New York session. I might gonna have a surprise for you guys, but it might gonna happen in the My Funded TV session or later. But it's gonna be fun. Some of you might already know it. But it's gonna be a bit of a surprise. Or I can, if you guys want, I can spoiler it to you guys, but I think it could be better if you leave it a surprise. Warzell Trader, hello, good morning. Yeah, so Joey, I agree, very bad. Right now it's just getting unplugged again. FUNDEDNEXT giveaway. I will send a message to FUNDEDNEXT. Brock. I'm not gonna dance. Can I give you guys a hint? Well. Oh, you wrote in the space. Ah. Oh, okay. Oh, so that was it. All right, 12WEC. Thank you so much again for the support. I appreciate it very much. Thank you, man. Look at this. That's going. It's not going for the swoop. Hello, spill it. Okay, I'm gonna spill it out. I'm going to pick up Methodical Man at the airport today. Yay! Yes. There you go, partial taken. There. Yeah, that's gonna be vlog videos, guys. Picking up Methodical Man at the airport in Budapest today. Putting this to break even now. I'm gonna tell him Lucky Mon says hi. All right. I don't know. We're definitely gonna have some content together. That's for sure. We have some ideas, and we'll be having some fun. And I'll try to make it in time because, depending on the traffic, anyway. And depending on when his plane is going to land exactly, I might just barely make it to My Funded TV, but I will try. Sir, did you have any updates about My Forex Funds prop firm? Which update you mean? My Forex Funds? No, nothing. Yeah, I remember My Forex Funds. We don't really have more information other than what they said a couple of months ago, that they are kind of, you know, trying to clear their traders who were stuck in with them a couple of years ago, but no other info. My couch is ready. Yeah, Devil Jin. The couch is ready. So yeah, we might do a podcast. We might do something. It will be great. Although I don't really have the equipment and the studio to do a regular podcast, but yeah. I've been trying to convince Husk. It would be great to have Husk here as well. That would be awesome. Okay, so this was a good trades so far. I'm curious if this one can go a little bit lower. I'm thinking, what do you guys think? Should I lower my stop to somewhere around 402? Let me know. Yeah, it will be fun. We will be eating some Hungarian foods. Yes. Prop firms that I recommend, well, the ones that you see up there in the banner, you see it up there: Apex, Lucid, MyFundedFutures, Take Profit, TRADEIFY, Funded Futures Network, TRADEDAY, Alpha Futures, Bulenox. These are the ones that I tried. I got payout, except for Alpha Futures. I still don't have a payout with Alpha, but I'm working on it. I would say the top of the list is MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, TRADEIFY, but the other ones are good too. So most underrated prop firm, in my opinion, is, by the way, Bulenox. Bulenox is really like a Swiss watch. They're paying, no questions asked, really good. Funded Futures Network with the buy one, get one for free promo is a really good price. So they're running the promo all month. By the way, you pay for one account at Funded Futures Network, you're instantly receiving a second account, by the way. That's also cool. TRADEDAY, also really good with the daily payouts. So daily payouts at MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, TRADEDAY. TRADEIFY has the daily payout option now, I think. So depending on what you're looking for, these are really good ones. SpaceX, I think that's going to be a really interesting 9:30 open. I think we might going to see a similar situation as we used to see in crypto. So we might see a surge, a push, a bullish run immediately at the open, and then maybe an immediate sell-off as well, as early buyers are just going to exit their positions. For Forex, well, for Forex, I would go with the Fivers or FTMO. Fibers, FTMO or Fivers, depending on which country are you living in. Maybe FUNDEDNEXT. So Fivers or FUNDEDNEXT. They don't really have any restrictions country-wise, so those two are really popular. Yeah. Tanzania. Okay, then FUNDEDNEXT or Fivers for Forex. Yeah. Well, 9:30 is definitely going to be some sort of a gamble either way, but maybe it's just best to wait it out, right? We are at 63 likes already. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, sure. Absolutely. Sure, sure. So, this is for the Fivers and FUNDEDNEXT. FUNDEDNEXT, and this is for FUNDEDNEXT. Smash that like, thank you. Good morning, Alex. Hello. Pro XP is very good. Ah, solution for CFD. Nice. Oh, it's Trading Star's birthday, by the way. Where is Trading Star? Is he here in the chat? He might be just lurking. I'm gonna send him a message. I know his phone number. He's not here. All right. Let me send him a message. Voice message. No. Hey, bro. You are live on stream. Anyway, everybody is watching what I'm saying right now, so, you know, nothing unusual. I just wanted to wish you a very happy 18th birthday. So I'm happy that you're now in your adulthood. So happy birthday. and I wish you everything great. But really, have an awesome day, man. Cheers. All right, I'm just sending him the message. Oh, too late. I sent him the voice message. I can send him another one. Anybody wishing Trading Star something nice? Okay. Also, everybody in the chat is saying happy birthday. Let me say some names. Celine's hat is saying happy birthday. Who else? Nobody else. Okay, Gabor is saying happy birthday. Okay, nobody else likes you, so that's it. And me, of course. Oh, sorry, Curry Fishbowl just typing in happy birthday. Zay is saying happy birthday. Burak ICT is saying. Okay, nobody else though. Anyway, have a great one. Okay. All right, just joking. It seems like there's still some other viewers in the chat who would like to say happy birthday, but I'm just lazy to, you know, say all their names, so I'll try. Sia is saying happy birthday. 12WEC is saying happy birthday. Devil Jin wishing you rip. Okay. No, he's saying that to me, by the way. Shenanigan wishing you happy birthday. Libra is not, but I'm just gonna say in the name of Libra too. That was epic. Is wishing you a happy birthday. And Clear Math Online also. But anyway, it's a long list, so I don't know where you are, man. You should be in the chat, so I don't know. Whatever, enjoy your day, you know. No, happy birthday, really. Happy birthday. All right, I sent him actually. I sent him 3 voice messages. You see that? I sent him 3 voice messages. Everybody's on it. Trading Star. Trading Star is the one, by the way. He's editing my short videos, and he's really awesome. So if anyone of you guys need some video editing, look up for Trading Star. He's really good. There he is. I just sent you 3 voice messages, by the way. I don't know where you were. I don't know. Like, where is this guy? You know. By the way, happy birthday to Trading Star. Okay, so the question is, should I move my stop loss? We already took partials, by the way. So if you're just popping in to the stream, this, I mean, partial was already being taken in the fair value gap. So should I move my stop? If yes, then where should I put my stop? Let me know. Should I put it to somewhere to 380 above the swing high on the 1 minute? What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm gonna manage it the way you guys want me to do it. Okay? Chat will decide. There you go. The man himself. Double birthday. Yeah. just under previous low. So here, that would be very close. Maybe I would put it, yeah, there you go, exactly, FAFO. I would put it somewhere here, 375, okay? Let's put it here. How about that? Okay, secured some profit there from the second portion too. Targeting the 15-minute demand zone lower, by the way. Mark Miller, hello. Leave it alone and hope it turns into a loser. Yeah, maybe. that's also something. Yeah. Let's see what's gonna happen here. This can also bounce very quickly, by the way. Thank you. Well, I wish, again, this would be the thing every day, right? And by the way, as for the gold trade, it's not looking too good. Some of you know I do have a gold trade on an eval. It's not looking that good, but I'm kind of looking for a similar drop down to a zone, but the gold trade is not looking that good. Yeah, this trade is a sexy trade, by the way. No, the swing trader core recommendation, ICT membership core content month 6. Let me write that down. Thank you, Martin. Core content. Core content. Core content month 6. Month 6, 16, 17. Thank you. Wrote it down. All right. I have a golden pen, by the way. I have this pen since 2006 now. Yeah, 2006. I have this pen. It's a cross pen. It's not golden though, but it's like, it's not actual real gold, but it has some markings though. It has some gold in it. But yeah. The market makers are watching. Lower stop. I think the stop is good there, right? Let's give some room for. I'm actually very okay. I'm very much okay with this trade. So it's okay. All out here, GG. You guys think I should just close it out or wait for the zone? Frequencies out. Okay. Level back. Okay. 99 contracts. Okay. I want to see if we can tag the zone. Zacromancer took the profit. Don't forget that I also secured some profit here with my stop, and I took partials already, so this trade is either way is going to be a win. 12x is adding longs. Well, my plan, I'm curious if we're gonna, this is a picture perfect 15-minute demand zone, by the way. Absolutely picture perfect. If I switch to the 15-minute, look at, it's perfect. It's just looking so perfect down here that even if it takes me out with this partial up there, I think it will go down and should be tagging that, what level is that? Yeah. The neckline to 84.50. So I like it. Paul, hello. Good evening. Welcome, welcome. But market makers are watching. What should I do? If they're watching the stream, I don't know. I'm out of coffee. Out of coffee. Eight, 9 contracts at 300. I feel like if we go down to 300, then we're just gonna be so close to the zone that it should tag it. But who knows? You told them to drop hard? Okay. All right. So if we go through 300, it would be very close to tag the zone. ES tagged it. Okay. NQ should tag it too. Come on, NQ. You're not a market maker, but trading your own account. Let's go. John, hello John, welcome. No giveaway yet, but we'll get there. Oh my gosh, it's not gonna get better than this. Really, I cannot do a better trade than this.
Get out of my own way. Then out of nowhere, this sensational feeling took over me, and I just couldn't stop winning. It was incredible. I was rock hard. Stay relentless and unwavering in your pursuit. Like a rock that withstands the fiercest of storms. Like being the hardest of rocks, you can stand as a symbol of determination and resilience. In a world of challenges and obstacles, we remain unshakable as a rock. Our essence unbreakable. Our merciless resolve is a testament to the human spirit. As rock hard as the mountains.
All right. Celebration. Let's go. Yeah. Guys, whatever goes on, Kane, thank you for joining. My thing is the zone. My thing in trading is the zones. I love the zone. Sam, hello, welcome. Thanks for joining. I love the zone. Who would be interested in a good indicator? I think everybody is always interested in a good indicator. The emphasis here is on the word good. Yeah, if there's something good, it's always something that we are interested in. I made $432 on this one single trade with 2 micros. I wish everything would be as simple as this. The zone is at 281 on the 15-minute time frame, by the way. So this is based on the 15-minute. These bearish candles. Lil Mind, hello. Thanks for joining. Had to subscribe after the trade. Thank you so much. Tsikunio, hello. Future AI, thank you for being here. Welcome. But let me just tell you this. It's not always the way like this, by the way, Tsikunio. It's not always like this. I wish every day would be like this, but it's just not, unfortunately, because that's trading. There are some days when I just chop myself up, so. Oh my gosh, we have some subs here. Sagar, thank you for joining. We have Lumind and Christian joining our channel. Welcome. Kristen, thank you for joining. And we have Lumind. Mom is good. She's doing great. Thank you. About the zones, I wish I could tell you in just a few minutes. David Mack, thank you for joining. Welcome. We are at 98 likes. Thank you so much. Let's smash that like. Let's get to 100. So the thing is, I already made a course. I know Trading Star is gonna be here in a second, and he's gonna ask me. But besides the course, I made a video. But the course was gonna be much more into detail. Let me just give you guys an idea. There's a 35-minute video I made a couple of months ago. It's not like the best of the best editing, but it can give you an idea what I'm looking at. Here's the video. You can check it out later. It's a 35 minutes long video, but there's going to be a much more detailing video about this. And actually, there's going to be a series where I explain every small little detail, how to categorize these levels, which one is best or worse, which one to look for, which one has a higher, lower potential, what to look for, how can you use it for entries, how can you use it for targets, how can you use it to determine the daily bias, how can you use it to read the narrative of the market. So there are lots of more things to it, but for starters, that's a video that you can try it. It's not available yet, Celine's Head, but it's in the, I mean, it's practically ready, but it's not out yet. But it will be out. It will be cheaper than an evaluation account. I promise you that. So fairly cheaper, but yeah, it will be. YouTube's algorithm saw that you're in sync today and puts, oh yeah, it seems like it, by the way. Thank you so much for the new subscribers today. I really appreciate it, everybody. I think this trade was really awesome. And talking about trades, I still have a trade on gold. Now, the gold trade is not looking so good, just saying. So the gold trade is definitely not looking that great. So this is the gold trade that is still on, but it's not looking that sexy right now. Now, what I'm looking for is the same thing, to go down and take out a demand zone, but this is on a different account. It's not on the same account as where I took the previous one. So it uses itis and force of candles. Wow, that's amazing, Borak. Miha Ingu, thank you for subscribing. Hello, welcome. So thank you so much for the new subs. I really appreciate it. I wouldn't buy, by the way, at this point, NQ, now that we, I wouldn't go long yet. I am based in Hungary, Hungarian, center of Europe, almost the center. Just made 400 on a few. Oh, let's go on the 25k eval. Let's go. Giveaway. Yes, MNQ. Yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway. Yeah, not yet. Next one. Yes. Nice. Let's go, Burak. Congratulations. Hey, neighbor. Hello from Romania. Welcome. How's it going? How's it going? Hopefully, yeah, hope. Hopefully everything's gonna get back to good. First TP hit second. Let's go, Burak. That's nice. That is really nice. And again, let me thank everybody for being here, and let me thank for the new subs again. Let me just insert the shameless plug here. If you would like to help out the channel, I know many of you guys already doing it, but you know, just gotta say the usual marketing. But you know, if you would like to support the channel, if you would just like to have a great weekend or a good smile, maybe the cheapest prices in your local grocery store, cheaper gasoline, or maybe just a hug, always type in the code TOMSABO at all these prop firms when you go to the checkout page, because we have a new sub, Race to Wins. Thank you for joining. Because the TOMSABO code gives you the best available discounts at all these prop firms up there in the banner. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you. All right. Just joking, of course, but thank you for supporting. There are some good deals going on, by the way. Apex extended the sale, but Take Profit Trader is down 40% with no activation fee. Lucid and TRADEIFY as well. Thank you. Thank you. I never ever made a secret about it that without the affiliate commissions, it would be harder. Thank you. Rancid, hello, welcome. Commercial is fine. Thank you for the new sub, by the way. How are you doing, Rancid? Welcome, good to see you. Oh, sorry. Hope. Oh my gosh, I really owe you that. 276 order block, like I said. Yeah, consequent encroachment liquidity. Let's see. Oh, definitely. I hope so too. I hope so too. Was it a picture on your X about commercials? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, this one. This one is from 12VEC. Okay. Kind of looks like me, right? This is the commercial picture of me, right? Huh? Yeah, something like that. This one looks a little bit evil or something. Teleshop setter. Yeah, it's a good one. I like it. I have to work on that a little bit more. Yeah. I just love it. Dude, I haven't liked it. Oh, I liked it. I liked it already. Okay. Yes, I'm here every day, Kristen. I'm here every day. London session, also in New York. Today is going to be a little bit crazy though, but usually like from 2 a.m. Eastern Standard and from 7 a.m. Eastern Standard. And I'm also a co-host at MyFundedTV's YouTube channel from 9 a.m. Eastern Standard. So I'm pretty much streaming a bit throughout the day. And yeah. TOMSABO dentist, dental, yeah. I'm expecting a package today, by the way. Munib Ali Khan, hello, thank you for joining. Oh, by the way, totally forgot. How is the gold trade doing? Yeah, it's still not there yet. Gold is, I'm still hovering in this gold trade. I'm kind of looking for that zone down there. So let me show you guys. So that's it. There's a 5-minute demand zone lower. That is what I'm kind of looking for. The zone is here. Would be great to see one more drop, but the problem is I think it can also sweep higher. Gold is doing these tricks all the way, all the time. You called it, let's go. Feel greedy for chasing that second. You know, as Gordon Gekko said, greed is good. All right. How are we doing with the likes? We are at 113. Thank you so much for smashing that like button there. So yeah, this is a gold trade here. Doesn't really matter too much. I'm just kind of waiting for NQ to show us maybe a possible reversal or not. We'll see. Urzel, Tom, what do you need to be able to trade futures? Do you need to buy a feed also, or is just an account to the prop firm? So the thing is, it's the second thing. If you buy an evaluation account to the prop firm, you will also get the data, especially if you're with TRADEIFY. But doesn't really matter which platform, because even if you're using Rhythmic Connection or TRADEIFY. So the thing is, once you buy your evaluation account, you will get data access to, and that's it. Otherwise, by the way, I am also paying separately for my data on TradingView. So these charts that you see here, this middle one and this one. So this is TradingView. This small one here, that's a NinjaTrader chart. But I'm also paying for CME data, and I subscribe to TradingView as well. So I'm paying for it. It's not that much, by the way. I think it's monthly $20 or 20 something overall, together with the CME data and the subscription. So it's not horrific. But you don't have to subscribe to TradingView if you don't want to, or to the CME data. You will get it from the prop firm. But you have to use their platform then. But because I like TradingView for charting, that's why I subscribed. Absolutely, Wurzel. Absolutely. You're welcome. I wonder if we can get this gold trade to the target as well. The idea is the same, by the way, as on NQ. I mean, I'm looking for the same thing, for the zone. I'm looking for the zone, nothing else. What's going on? All right, I'm here. Camille is here. Oh my gosh. Hello, Camille. You don't have to pay so because you get it from... Yeah, that's true. As long as you have a TradeAway connection with the prop firm, then you can log in through TradingView. But just in case, for safety, I have the CME data subscription. Good to see you. That's true, by the way. Yes, Trading Star. How's it going? Camille is back in the house, everybody. Camille, OG viewer on the channel. Yeah. By the way, if you don't subscribe, you do need to have an essential subscription on TradingView, so you don't gonna get left like it's 3 to 5 seconds of a lag. Even if you have login for TradeAway, you do need to subscribe to TradingView. You need to, because I think there's going to be like a 3 or 5 second lag if you're using the free version of TradingView, I think. Are there any prop firms which allow copy trading without purchasing any other software? Just starting out. Any prop firm that has TradeAway. TradeAway has a built-in, if you want to copy trade at the same prop firm, so you know, purchasing multiple accounts at the same prop firm, go with TradeAway, or you can do it with Quantower. Those are free. They are built-in free copy traders. That's it. So again, TradeAway has a free one built in, the platform that is, and Quantower has a free one built into the platform, as long as you're copy trading at the same prop firm. But TradeAway is not able to copy trade between other prop firms. NinjaTrader is better or TradeAway? I like NinjaTrader, but I'm not saying TradeAway is bad. I'm just used to NinjaTrader right now, and Quant Tower and NinjaTrader are my favorites. Tuon, hello Tuon, welcome. $10, but if you have the essential package, Drift, I think you're only behind like 5 seconds. So you subscribe to the essential package, which is not including the CME data. But if you log in with your TradeAway credentials and you have an essential package, you should be having like 5-second lag, no? I don't know. Oh my gosh, how close we were to sweep that zone down there, right? Oh, okay. You got to check it out. 325. Free version. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The essential pack. You got to subscribe with the essential package. You have a free version, right? That's what I'm saying. That's the free version, but I have an essential version, which is like the basic subscription on TradingView. That's why you need to have a subscription. Absolutely. You're welcome, Wurzel. If you want to do more charting, you need at least a minimum subscription with trade. Yes, exactly. Exactly, Miz. Yeah, Rhythmic. By the way, guys, Rhythmic is really good too. It's running so smooth. No issues with the Rhythmic connections lately, by the way. I know last year there was some glitches. Absolutely zero issues with Rhythmic connections, by the way. So if you're using ETS, Quant Tower, or even NinjaTrader can connect to one Rhythmic connection at a time, absolutely zero issues through Rhythmic. Yeah, welcome, Warzel. Essential pack and platform account. The data is not as smooth as buying the TradingView. Yes, that's why I subscribe to the CME data as well through TradingView. Just to make sure that it's updating. Yes, exactly, Filale. So the issue was mainly, I think, Filale, the issue was because many prop firms were putting their users on the Rhythmic servers, and I think the servers were totally overloaded with users on these prop firms. And of course, many prop firms, for example, MyFundedFutures completely cut down Rhythmic, not, you know, because of those issues. And so a lot of users left I mean, not just left, but they didn't buy that option. And ever since then, that the servers are not overloaded with those users, Rhythmic running absolutely smoothly, super smooth, no issues at all. I don't know if I'm gonna short again on NQ. I'm gonna wait a little bit here. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit. Right now, let me just get this out of the way. We do see a possible shift here. Bullish shift on NQ. I'm not saying that we're gonna go higher. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just seeing a bit of a bullish shift. I'm also seeing a zone on the 3-minute up there. Let me get this off. There is a zone here, a supply zone right there. That's a 3-minute supply zone. I think for scalping purposes, the 382 could be tagged. Look at how close it is on the 1-minute. Look at that level. If I would be scalping, maybe I would be looking into that trade, that 380 level. It's looking really juicy up there. I might have missed my opportunity. The entry should have been down there. I might have missed it. Down there would have been a good entry. Look at that. I think I missed it. The problem, if I enter now, the risk to reward ratio would be off. Or at least it's not going to be the distance that I'm looking for. I can try to enter. I'm not saying it's not something that I can try, but you know. Although it's very tempting, very, very tempting to go for that 3-minute supply zone. I'm just going to follow through the situation. You know, I also just enjoy watching how the market is reacting to this level, but that is what I think is kind of happening. You don't trade the 10 a.m. pre-market open volume? Not now. Not right. I mean, I will maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah. We'll see. We'll see. I do have a bit of a FOMO. I do have some FOMO about this trade. I'm not gonna lie. I do have some FOMO about this. Yeah, if you have a TP at 380, if I would be in this trade, my TP would be 379. Just to make sure about the round numbers and everything, my TP would be 379 if I would be in this trade. But I'm not in this trade, unfortunately. Unfortunately. TP one hit, let's go. $421 says Burak. Let's see. Zacromancer is long from 308. Oh wow, that's a nice catch from 308. That's a really nice catch there. Okay. Someone was making what making mind oh in the chat. Let's see. Look at this. It's gonna push it to the 80s. Good luck everybody who's holding the trade. Unfortunately, my gold trade is not looking good. It was very close to my TP down there. It is what it is. Maybe the pre-market open can bring it down. I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling the FOMO right now. Look at this. Oh wow, what was the high here? The high was 78.75. Oh my gosh, look at that. The FOMO. Oh my gosh, there you go. 3-minute supply zone tagged. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm just happy to see that the zones are working. Absolutely, Ernston. I don't know what you're thinking, but good luck. I'm happy if you're happy. You know, unfortunately, my gold trade is not looking that good. But what can I do, right? It's gonna sweep these highs. Even though if it's gonna sweep my stop loss, I do think that it can drop lower. Maybe not now, but later. We have a picture perfect zone down at 41.89. I don't know who made fun of your indicator, Burak. I don't know. I wasn't really reading. But yeah, if you have a good indicator, that's you know, that is always a good thing. $385 hit, nice, beautiful, beautiful. I see things like Doji and PJ Trade selling at $200. You made your own. That's it. Do you keep a trading journal? Any platform you recommend for tracking trades? So sometimes I journal my screenshots and setups on Notion. Notion is like, it's free to use. I was trying to use TradeZilla. I think that's really good, but I wasn't really tracking the numbers because I use different type of things or strategies, risk management on different type of accounts. And so what I do usually is I have a very good system for journaling, and here it is. That's a good system for journaling. This one is a classic one. It's always here. And so how should I, let me show you, I don't know. So here's, for example, you know, journaling. I'm writing down my thoughts of the day, levels, things, you know. That's the classic. But I'm not writing down every trade. If I have a really good trade or if I have a really bad trade, I look back and I write down some thoughts, like what was I missing? What was the thing that I did really good? Usually I write down what was the major issue that led to a big loss, or what should I have done differently in the situation. So I just write it down. The setup itself, if I want to save a screenshot of a particular setup that is really interesting, I save it in Notion or something like that. Yeah, there you go. I mean, Trader Waves free. Oh, thank you, Zacromancer. Yeah, John, I only write down these thoughts, you know, whenever I have a thought that I want to think about later, then I write it down. Zay, nice. Congratulations on the longs. I wonder if we're going to see a reversal here on NQ. To the downside, though. I see a lot repeated entries. Oh, well, yeah, the tilt, right? Tilt. The thing is, there's nothing really wrong about being on tilt. If you're, for example, if you are new, I don't see anything bad, you know, about the tilt. I think it's something that you have to go through over and over and over. I'm sorry, it might sound a little bit crazy to say this, but I feel that we have to go through the tilt, not just once or twice, multiple times, repeatedly, until the number of those tilting sessions start to decrease as low as possible, until a point where your winning days and trades and winning sessions are going to overcome those tilts more and more. And so it's not going to stop from one day to another, but you can decrease the amount of those days or sessions. So I'm sorry to say this, but tilt is going to happen statistically, almost for sure. It's going to happen. Your job is to make sure that it's not going to happen that often and squeeze out more money on the winning sessions, right? That's it. Exactly, Falale. Exactly. You need to know that feeling. And once you know that feeling, you also need to understand what are those things that are putting you on that tilt. What are the triggers that are pushing you into that tilt? Once you slowly, it's not, as I said, it's not going to happen from one day to another, but like small baby steps. Once you start to reverse engineer it and backtrack it, like where it starts from, you will recognize those situations like, okay, this is what I did there, and I did it there again, and I did it 10 times before, I did it 100 times before, and this was the issue. Okay, now I should know it. So this is going to be a brain muscle reflex thingy, which is going to develop by itself. And that brings us back to the core of the whole thing. Be consistent with your trading. Be consistent with the setup. And that's why don't do strategy hopping, right? So if there's one particular thing that you're looking for in the market, for example, in my case, I'm looking for the zones. If there's one thing that you're looking for that is repeating over and over and over and over for the end of times, that is the thing. If you like it, your personality, you can line up with that as a trader. Well, that's what you need to put your focus on. And that's where that brain muscle is going to start to develop. Like, okay, I've seen this 2,000 times, 5,000 times, 10,000 times, 100,000 times. I'm seeing this happening over and over. I'm seeing these patterns. Oh, this is what's happening right now. Okay. And then the rest is going to develop automatically. But anyway, yeah. Exactly, Zacromancer, yeah. TP hit, nice. I don't know what I should do with this gold trade, by the way, guys. I still believe that the level should be hit, by the way. I still believe in my TP, but the question is it gonna sweep my stop loss first and then goes for my TP, or vice versa? I mean, so first, obviously, would like to see the TP taken out, but yeah. I don't know what to do with this gold trade. Norbert says, I want to buy your TP. That would be a long entry. Okay. Rabariat. Bro, your own ICT engine. Oh, nice. The 1 minute. This time gold will hit the TP. Well, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. If you want to backtest, I will send it for you for free, but make sure, please don't. Burak, it would be an honor. It's up to you. I mean, I can definitely backtest. Of course, I always backtest. By the way, I'm always backtesting something, indicators, things, but as you wish. But I can promise I'm definitely not showing it to anyone, but it's up to you, man. It's up to you. Hey, Dr. Bren, hello. Bren Eredam, hello. Which is a favorite prop firm? Well, I think the payout policy is really crucial nowadays, even on the top of the top, right? So what is the payout policy? And two things. You need prop firm that is, you need the prop firm that is definitely paying you out. No questions asked, no fancy business. You're just going to get paid. That's number one, above everything. The second is the payout policy. The rules are okay. You can go with the rules. It's not the issue, by the way. So these are the two main things. And the ones that you see up here in the banner, I do like them all. Even Apex. I know you guys love Apex, but even that too. The thing is, the strongest, if you ask me, the strongest ones are MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, and TRADEIFY. But TRADEDAY also really good. I can't say a bad thing about TRADEDAY. Oh, look at this goal. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Oh my gosh, I got taken out there. There was some news thing. So TRADEDAY is also good. But, you know, payout policy, the daily payouts, by the way, the daily payout at the MyFundedFutures Rapid account is really good. Take Profit Trader with the daily payout. And TRADEIFY also has daily payout. So that's also good. That was a search here. How much was it, by the way? 70 points. Could be, it could have been a news release or something. Nothing so far. Yeah, nothing. Nothing yet. That was interesting though. Yeah. That was really interesting. Let me switch to a different one. Okay. So the gold trade unfortunately got taken out. It does happen sometimes. But wow, look at this. Whew. Let's go, Burak. So there's nothing on financial. Okay, there is some news from Iran. Okay. They're canceling oil sanctions and releasing Iran's frozen funds. Okay. It also includes reopening. Okay. So the US includes committed. So these are the news here, right here. They're lifting the sanctions, withdrawing forces from around Iran, and lifting the naval blockade. This was it. That was the news. That was the news. Oh, yeah, financialjuice.com. Financial Juice. Let me paste this to you. Here's the website. I subscribe to Financial Juice, so I don't have too much of a delay. You can use it for free. I think there's a bit of a delay if you're using it for free, but I don't know. But yeah, that's Iran news right now. Even Iran is withdrawing for a SpaceX IPO. I like that. All right, here we go. The pre-market open in 10 seconds. Let's see how it's going to go. Let's see it, everyone. This is going to be real exciting. A few more seconds to go here. Here we go. Nothing. All right. Nothing is going on yet. Stocks opened up. Let's see. Nvidia opened up lower, a little bit bearish. Tesla also recovering by now. Meta opened up a little bit bearish as well. Nothing special. All right, not much is going on. Not much is going on for now. Were you checking this live? I only saw pre-market and no. Which live? I mean the news. The news were updated on financialjuice.com. If that's what you're asking. Or the stock market. Maybe you were referring to stock market. The Nvidia. Yeah, this is live. This is live. This is live data here. So here's the open, and here's yesterday close, and here's the open right now. Boom. This is live. This is Nvidia here. So opened up bearish, but I think it's gonna go. Meta also opened up, so there was not too much volume. Opened up bearish here, kind of pushing back up there. Okay, Tesla, whatever. Oh, the silver bullet strategy, that's a popular one, right? All right, everybody. I think I'm gonna call it here. TradingView. You have to add to the plus sign and you go to stocks and you can add it if you have a CME subscription. I think you're adding to yours. These are stocks and that's it. See, I have Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft on the plus sign. All right. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I'm going to call it here. This was a great session. I love that trade on NQ. Not so much on the gold one, but it is what it is. I'll be back for tomorrow not tomorrow, sorry, on Monday. But I tried to squeeze in a New York session as well. Today, Myth is joining me here in Hungary in person. So that's going to be interesting. I can't wait for it. So, and I'll be at MyFundedFutures later today at 9 a.m. So thank you. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the code TOMSABO up there in the banner. You can see it. Type it in on the checkout page. You will receive the best available discount at all these platforms. Thank you. I appreciate it. God bless you all. Have a safe day. Trade safely. And, cheer up. It's Friday. So God bless. See you, everybody.